Sheep farming is one of the key industries bringing high economic profits each year. Annually, billions of dollars are amassed through sheep farming and wool production, making it one of the most lucrative sectors globally. This comprehensive video offers a deep dive into the operational intricacies of lamb farms and the intricate processes involved in wool production. Beyond its economic significance, sheep farming serves as a multifaceted endeavor crucial in providing sustenance, raw materials, and employment opportunities worldwide. The process encompasses various stages, from nurturing newborn lambs to tending to mature adult sheep. Lambs are carefully nurtured alongside their mothers on the farm until they reach around to 2-3 months of age, receiving vital sustenance through breastfeeding and supplementary feeds such as fresh grass and dry straw. It's during this tender period that a cozy and secure environment is essential for optimal growth and development. Following the weaning stage, lambs transition to designated areas on the farm, marking the commencement of their journey towards adulthood. Adult sheep, whether cared for in barns or allowed to roam freely in pastures, rely primarily on a diet comprising fresh grass, dry straw, and grains, serving various purposes ranging from meat and milk production to fur and skin processing. This stage of sheep farming is crucial, requiring meticulous attention to ensure the health and well-being of the flock. Sheep farming is not confined to specific geographical regions, but is prevalent across diverse landscapes, particularly those with temperate and subtropical climates. These regions, characterized by their conducive environmental conditions, serve as ideal habitats for sheep rearing and wool production.
Too much haste.
However, the success of sheep farming hinges not only on environmental factors, but also on the expertise and dedication of farmers. Indeed, sheep farming demands a profound understanding of the intricacies involved, from selecting appropriate sheep breeds suited to local climate and soil conditions to constructing secure and hygienic barns. Additionally, ensuring a balanced diet, adequate hydration, and administering timely vaccinations are imperative to safeguard the flock against potential epidemics. Data from the Food and Agriculture Organization underscores the global significance of sheep farming, with approximately 1.4 billion sheep contributing significantly to the world's livestock inventory. Asia emerges as the region with the largest sheep population, accounting for 53% of the global total, followed closely by Europe with 21%. These figures highlight the pivotal role of sheep farming in ensuring food security and sustaining livelihoods worldwide. Wool harvesting constitutes a crucial aspect of sheep farming, involving a meticulous process encompassing shearing and shaving. This technical process requires careful handling and expertise to ensure the preservation of wool quality. Post-harvest, wool undergoes sorting and processing, wherein meticulous selection based on quality, color, length, and other criteria is paramount. This process not only enhances the fleece's resilience and durability, but also ensures premium quality wool for further processing. Subsequently, the transformed fleece is fashioned into yarn and woven into fabric, giving rise to an array of wool products renowned for their quality and diversity. Major wool harvesting and production hubs are concentrated in regions with temperate and subtropical climates, notably Asia, Europe, and Africa. These regions boast large-scale operations characterized by high-quality wool production, contributing significantly to the global wool industry. Total global wool production stands at approximately 2.5 million tons annually, with Asia contributing 60% and Europe 20% of the total output. However, the wool industry is not without its challenges. Escalating feed costs, sheep diseases, and competition from synthetic alternatives pose significant hurdles that necessitate effective mitigation strategies. To overcome these challenges, industry stakeholders must embrace innovation and adopt modern technologies to enhance productivity and efficiency. This includes selecting superior sheep breeds, implementing comprehensive vaccination protocols, and leveraging technological advancements in harvesting and production processes. Crafting hand-made wool blankets transcends mere technical proficiency. It embodies a delicate art form steeped in tradition and craftsmanship. Each step of the production process, from wool harvesting to the creation of high-quality products, requires meticulous attention to detail. This craftsmanship not only enhances product durability and quality, but also preserves the rich heritage associated with handmade wool blankets. In conclusion, sheep farming and wool production represent a blend of tradition, innovation, and sustainability. The industry's economic significance, coupled with its role in providing sustenance and livelihoods, underscores its global importance. Share your experiences with sheep wool products in the comments and continue exploring the rich tapestry of insights offered in this comprehensive video.